Did you know that a tiny seed, as small as a chia seed, could hold the power to transform your health in ways you never imagined? Imagine a food so nutrient-packed that it boosts everything from your energy levels to your brain function, and that's just the beginning. Stick around to discover 10 surprising ways chia seeds can benefit your health, and wait till you hear the last one. It might just change how you see this superfood forever. Let's start our journey of understanding this in deep. Chia seeds have quietly become a nutritional powerhouse, packed with benefits that go way beyond their humble size. First off, did you know that chia seeds are an incredible source of omega-3 fatty acids? Just one serving of these tiny seeds gives you a heart-healthy dose of good fats, which help reduce inflammation and support heart function. Next, let's talk about fiber. Chia seeds are loaded with it. This is great news if you're looking to improve digestion or maintain healthy cholesterol levels. Eating chia seeds regularly can keep your gut happy and your heart healthy. Third on the list is protein. While chia seeds may be small, they're mighty when it comes to providing plant-based protein. Whether you're vegetarian or just trying to cut back on meat, chia seeds are an easy way to boost your protein intake. Now, let's not forget about antioxidants. These tiny seeds pack a big punch when it comes to fighting off free radicals, which can contribute to aging and various diseases. Who knew something so small could help keep you looking and feeling youthful? Moving on to another underappreciated benefit, chia seeds help balance your blood sugar. Eating them can slow down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, keeping those energy crashes at bay and helping to prevent diabetes in the long run. What about bone health? Yes, chia seeds have that covered too. They're a great source of calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, all essential for maintaining strong bones and teeth. Did you know chia seeds help with hydration too? When soaked in water, they absorb up to 12 times their weight, creating a gel that helps keep you hydrated longer. Another surprising fact about chia seeds is that it supports weight loss. Their fiber and protein content help you feel full longer, preventing overeating. Add them to smoothies or oatmeal for a satisfying meal that sticks with you. You may not know that chia seeds promote mental health. Because of their omega-3 content, they support brain function and can even help reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. Now here's the most incredible benefit of chia seeds that might surprise you the most. They're great for detoxifying your body. Because of their high fiber content, chia seeds help cleanse your digestive system, eliminating toxins and promoting overall detoxification. It's like a little reset for your body, hidden in these unassuming seeds. So, the next time you sprinkle some chia seeds on your yogurt or blend them into a smoothie, remember, you're not just adding a crunch. You're giving your body a powerful natural health boost that goes far beyond what meets the eye. For related articles and updates, look at the description below. We hope you found this video useful. Please like and subscribe to keep connected. Thank you.